Hi guys, so today we are doing a roof cleaning job, natural slate roof on this lovely house. It's a very large roof. Just show you around. So the client has asked that we do the roof and all of the whites, fascias, gutters, the conservatory to the rear, all of the bifolding doors. They do have a regular window cleaner that comes a month, and they've asked us to come in and just polish everything up. So I'll show you in a moment the setup that we use, the various different chemicals that we're about to apply. So here's our setup for the roof cleaning. We use a spinaclean roof scraper for the natural slate roof, attached to one of our old poles. We use Algoclear Pro, and we mix it into a BigBoy from Window Cleaning Warehouse, 22 litres. So we use the correct dilution rate, which is 1 part to 20 for roof cleaning, and we'll use the BigBoy to spray it onto the roof and agitate it with one of our old brush heads. So we are now 2 days later. The Algoclear is really set to work. It's completely transformed the colour of the roof. There are still some black spots of algae left, of lichen, but they will fade over the next couple of weeks. There's two different types of slates on these roofs. So this one is the same as the previous. This one is a nice green natural slate, quite a thick one as well, and it's come up absolutely fantastic. We did have to apply quite a bit of pressure while scrubbing to get the desired result. I'm sure you'd agree it looks fantastic. We did spray the main roof as well, and that is getting to work as we speak. On this job we've also polished out the gutters, frames, all of the UPVC, and the customer is absolutely over the moon. So yeah, great job. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed.